Now an indirect formula is probably, for me, the most powerful formula in Excel. Now a lot of people don't know this formula, and hence they don't know the powers of it. So let me show you with a very quick example. So if I've got the numbers 1, 2 and 3 there, and I've got a total there in all three of them, so that's just a simplistic total. So that's just basic ones. So now if I've got a sum there of that, but now what I actually want to do is I want to be able to change this so that when I select, when I do C there, when I type in C, it should automatically go to column C, or D, it should automatically go to column D. So how do you do that? You can do that with an indirect formula. The principle here is that, as you can see here, we've got in this formula B1 to B3. Once we've done the indirect formula, we need to make sure that that is exactly the same. So if we've got something here called B1 to B3, and we put this in an indirect formula, we just select that, then it will work. Because now the indirect formula will see what's inside it, and because we've put it in an indirect formula, it will be part of the formula. So it will go to the cell that we are referring to, and it will still see it as part of the formula. So we're basically taking text and converting the text to part of the formula. But this is not entirely the correct way to do it. We would ideally like to type in B or C. But if I go and type in C now, it won't work, because effectively now this thing is saying sum C. Now sum C means absolutely nothing. So let's just go back. So what I need to do, I need to get it exactly like this. So first I'm going to say whatever is standing there, let's just type in B, and let's do it over. So whatever is standing there, and 1, we need to get it exactly like that, and a double point, and whatever is standing there, and 3. So you see, now it works. If I type in C or D, so let me prove it to you. So if I just take this text that we've done, you'll see it will work. So we've duplicated the exact description there. Sometimes it's a bit more complicated because you might have references to other worksheets or files, or even other information, which makes it a bit more complicated to get this concatenation correct. So let's go to another example. So if I do a normal sum if, I'm going to sum that range. I'm going to look for the A. It's wrong. I'm going to look for the A there. I'm going to search for A. So that's a normal sum if formula. But what if I want to type in B or B there? And I want to be able to change that. So how do we do that? We just put the sum range in an indirect formula. So now I can go there and say C and C, and there it changes. So this works very well, and there's a few interesting things you can do with it. One of the things that might give you a problem if you use a lot of indirect formulas is that your spreadsheet might become quite big. So just be careful when you're doing that.